Hello everyone. So now we are going to see how to implement an IP addressing scheme using a Cisco packet tracer. So first start with select the sources from the library. So first I'm going to select two routers. The name is 1841, two numbers, and then select the switches. And the switch number is 2960, three numbers, and then select the PCs. So two PC and one more PC this side, and one server. And then rename all your sources. So this is ISP router, this is ISP switch, this is ISP server, and then this is customer router, this is ISP workstation, this is host A and host B, and this is LAN A, can connect up to 50 hosts. This is LAN B, connect up to 40 hosts. So now we have renamed all our resources. Now I'm going to make the connections. So select this connection and select this copper straight wire and click on this PC. It will show one fast Ethernet. Select this and connect this switch. It will show this fast Ethernet 1 to 24. Let us select this fast Ethernet 1 and again select this copper wire and this switch 2, and now it will show the second fast Ethernet connection and give it to the router. Router is having two connections only, fast Ethernet 0 and 1, so let us select any one. Okay, so again select this copper wire and this PC fast Ethernet 0 to this switch fast Ethernet 1, and then select again this copper. Now fast Ethernet 2 to router second fast Ethernet 1. Now in the another side, PC fast Ethernet 0 to switch fast Ethernet 1, and again server 2 fast Ethernet 0 to switch 2, and then switch to router fast Ethernet 0. So in a router, two fast Ethernet connection only available. So in the left side router, customer router, we have connected those two fast Ethernet routers. Now there are no other ports are available, so we need to add extra serial ports. So for that, click this router, and here WIC2T is there. Click on this, and we need to drag this port. So before that, turn it off and drag this and put it here and turn it on. Then go to config. It will show one message: device is still booting, please wait until it is finished. So wait for a time. Once yes, now it is getting over, so close this. Again go to this second router, WIC2T, turn it off, drag this one and turn it on. Move on to the config. Yes, now it is over. Close this. Yes, now here one serial DTE wire connection is there. Click on this, and here you can select serial 0, and this side serial 0. Same, the serial port will be connected to the same serial port only. No fast Ethernet port. So okay, so now we have made all the connections. Now we need to assign the IP addresses for the PCs, routers, okay. So before going to fix the IP address, I'm going to note it down what kind of IP address I'm going to give for all the devices. Let's select this note, and here I'm going to select my IP address is 192.168.1.2, and in this router two fast Ethernet and one serial ports are connected. So 192.168.1.1 one IP address, and another side 192.168.1.65 is another IP address, and the serial port address is 11.0.0.1, and this PC IP address is 192.168.1.66. Similarly for this router 192.168.2.1, and here one serial port is connected, so 11.0.0.2, and for this PC 192.168.2.2. Okay, now we have noted all the IP addresses. Now I'm going to fix these IP addresses inside the router and PCs. So let us select this router first. Fast Ethernet 0 IP address is 192.168.1.1 first, and after this you can change this 0 into 192 and turn it on. So we have assigned for fast Ethernet 0, next fast Ethernet 1, 192.168.1.65 and turn it on. Then for serial port, it is the port number is yes, it is 11.0.0.1 and 7 mask is okay. Then turn it on. Close this. Now this router is over. Then assign the IP addresses for this second router. So second router fast Ethernet 192.168.2.1. Change this subnet mask for 192 and turn it on. And here we have used only one fast Ethernet, and remaining one more serial port we have used. So that serial port is 11.0.0.2 and subnet mask. Then turn it on and close this. Now we have assigned the IP addresses for the routers. Now I'm going to fix the IP addresses for the PCs. So let us select this PC and go to desktop IP config, and the number is 192.168.1.2 subnet mask, and the default gateway we need to give. So that gateway is this PC is connected to this 1841 router through this IP fast Ethernet cable 192.168.1.1. So that is the gateway for this 168.1.1. Okay, close this, and for this PC now go to desktop IP config. The IP address is 192.168.1.66, and the default gateway is the second fast Ethernet connection 192.168.1.65. Okay, yes, close. Then for this PC, go to desktop IP config, and the IP address is 192.168.2.2, and here the default gateway is 192.168.2.1. So now we have assigned all the IP addresses. Now we are going to communicate. So first we are going to communicate the left side of this router, that is from host A to host B. Let us click on this host A command prompt window, and here type ping 192.168.1.2. That is I am communicating from host A to host B. So host A IP address is 1.66, and I am going to communicate to host B 1.2. So enter. Request timed out. Yes, now the reply is coming from this host B. So the left side router part is working fine. Now I'm going to communicate from the host A to the side ISB workstation. So ping ISP workstation number is 192.168.2.2. Yes, the destination host is unreachable because uh, we have connected only one half. There is no connectivity from customer router to ISP router. So if you want to communicate between the two routers, then we need to assign the static IP address for both the routers. So for that, let's click on this customer router. So here one static option is there. Click on this. In this network, we are going to provide the ISP router details. That is, ISP router network is 192.168.2.0, but here the address is 2.1. Why I am giving 2.0 means if n number of routers are connected, yes, the last numbers we supposed to give us 0, 1. You may connect n number of routers. Say for example, if 10 routers you are connected with this router, yes, for all the routers you are going to give 0, 1. And the mask is 255.255.255.0. Then the hop is 11.0.0.2. Okay, so this hop address. Now add this one. Okay, so now we have added the second router details to the first router, and now I'm going to select the second router, and here I'm going to provide the first router details. So go to static and network 192.168.1.0, and the mask is 255.255.255.0, and the hub is 1.0.0.1. Add it. Yes, now we have connected two routers. So now I'm going to communicate from host A to this ISP workstation. Select this and command prompt window. So I'm going to communicate using the keyword ping 192.168.2.2, the ISP workstation. Request timed out. Yes, now the replay is coming from the ISP workstation. Okay. Similarly, I'm going to communicate from this ISP workstation to host B. Go to command prompt window, ping 192.168.1.2. That is a host B I'm going to communicate. So the replay is coming from the host B to ISP workstation. Hence, we have assigned the IP addresses for all the PCs which are connected through the routers. If you want to communicate to two routers, then you need to assign static address for the another router. Thank you. Thanks for watching.